Hello, welcome.
You are welcome to our series on the skills challenge for 2024. Basically, what we intend to achieve with this skills challenge is to encourage ourselves, motivate ourselves, push ourselves to be able to acquire as many skills as possible in the year 2024. That's what this skills challenge is all about. We are getting started with the web developer skills challenge, and we're using free code camp curriculum because it's a very interesting curriculum. It's something that anybody can work on. And in this curriculum, we have the responsive web design certification, we have Java algorithm and data structures, and so many others. Basically, within the next 100 days of coding, we intend to cover responsive web design certification and JavaScript algorithms and data structures. And we are hopeful that with these skills and the certifications from Free Code Camp, which is widely accepted globally, it will position us as people to be able to drive our businesses, drive our job search further, and be able to learn something better. That's what this skills challenge is all about. And so Neokecci is providing this community, because when we work in a community, we can be able to hold ourselves accountable. If you have not created an account on freecodecamp.org, please sign in, log in here and create an account. You can easily create an account on here. You just need an email, really. You just need an email to be able to create an account. So I want to log in now. So my name is Charles Nwahiwe. I'm going to be your business coach for this period. So for you, the next 100 days, all you need just a minimum of 1 hour a day. You don't need to do it at a stretch. You can do it in bits as your time will permit. But of course, if you want to really master what we're talking about, you need to put in more than 1 hour a day. And on Free Code Camp, you have the option to donate money. Here is a charity, but if you don't have, please don't donate what you don't have. Just move on. They will still allow you to use their website. So let's get going with the first responsive web design certification. Let's move in. So what is it all about? Here we're going to see that there are quite a couple of courses that we can build on. We can learn HTML by building a cat photo app. We can also learn basic CSS by building a cafe menu. We can also learn CSS colors by building a set of colored markers. And we can learn HTML forms by building a registration form. It's quite loaded. The beauty of all of this is that you can actually learn by building projects. So it's hands-on. If you have already started this process, if you already have some level of skill in web design, you can just work with us by working on the projects. So you can just go, every of one of these courses have projects, so you can just go and work on the projects. Let's hit the ground with the first course, which is learning how to build a cat photo app. So learning HTML by building a cat photo app, and here it has 69 steps. Learning, to be able to consolidate the learning, is always good to learn in bits and pieces so that the brain can hone in on the new knowledge. So let's start the project going. Let's go to the first one. We have the option to choose the kind of cat photo app. Is your cat going to be an indoor or outdoor cat? Well, I would say indoor. What's your cat's personality? I would say a loving cat personality. So we are good to go now. Looking at the HTML tags, the building blocks of HTML. H1, which is a header. H1 is a header. Hello world. If you add another sentence there, you can say hello world out there. And it comes up here as well. So whatever you have in between these tags comes up here. And like I said, this is just the H1 tag. So they are asking me to change this H1 tag from hello world to cat photo app. So let's go and do that. Cat photo app. Let's go. Okay, they don't want spaces, they want it as one word. So that is how this interface works. It is how interface works. So it has gone through, say congratulations, that I can go to the next step. And because of the way it works, it will keep directing you, and it will be to keep guiding you. Every step in this process is well explanatory. So the free code camp helps you to be able to get this done in a very simplified way. So I want to encourage you to keep going down the steps, and we will be able to meet you on the other side. So it's quite self-explanatory. Like for example, here they are asking the H1 through H6 headings are used to signify the importance of content. So you have the H1, which is the biggest, you have the H2 that follows. They are saying below the H1 element, add an H2 with the text cat photo. So here they're asking us to add an H2. So what do? You put the tags that go with it. We are putting H2, and the text is cat photos. Yeah. And when we close the tag with H2, so you can see what is going on here. H1 is bigger than H2. That's basically how this works. And of course, you can go on and on and on. You can even do H3. Let's use Cat's Gallery. Okay, so this is our H3. You will notice that H3 will be smaller than H2, just like H2 was smaller than H1. You can see how it works. H1, H2, H3, and it will keep going on and on and on and on until you get to H6. So these are all the headings you see on a web page. So they say congratulations, your code passes. So this is how you progress with this, and you keep moving and you keep moving. For the sake of time, we encourage you to try it on your own, and then we'll come back, and when we are done with this, we will now be able to do the project that will go with it. Yeah, and it will also show you the percentage completion so that you can be able to follow your progress. So give it a trial, and we'll see you on the other side. Bye.